The other day I was asked, when will robots take over the world? And my response was, they already have. Let me explain. There are over 20 million robots already working in factories around the world, doing dangerous, repetitive tasks that humans don't want to do. They work in hot, cold, dirty environments where safety is a concern, and they do it all without complaining. But some people still think that robots aren't real or that they're not a threat. They think that we're safe because robots only do what they're programmed to do. But that couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, robots are everywhere, and if you don't believe me, just look around. You'll see them in your house, in your workplace, even in your car. They may not be the Terminator, but they're here and they're not going anywhere. So the next time someone asks you when the robot revolution will happen, just tell them, it already has. Then you can watch their face melt down in horror as they realize the truth.